Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a high-value social media portfolio as a social media manager. What this simply means is that I'm going to be showing you how to build high-class quality portfolio, telling you the things that your portfolio must include as a social media manager to not only land you clients, but to also get you booked out. Hello, my name is Becky Jo, a retired social media manager who's currently redefining the business of social media management. When talking about portfolio, I know a lot of us like to play with aesthetics, but trust me, clients are about the numbers. They're about what have you done, what projects have you handled, what campaigns have you handled. And that's why I want to take you down into this video where I show you what my portfolio looks like and the things that I've included in them and the things that you should look forward to including in your own portfolio. Always remember that everything you've done, you need to begin to take screenshots and put them together as a social media manager. Your analytics report matters a lot. Your strategy matters a lot. What have you done to help your clients receive growth, receive sales, receive conversions, whatever it is, you want to put them together in a proper way so that whenever anybody's looking for you, you're going to show that to them. So if you don't have a portfolio, you have a website, you can literally show that to them.
Let me show you guys what my portfolio looks like. My Becky portfolio, currently signed in personal information, my experience. When I did this thing, I had how many followers? I had 18K. These are my services. This is my portfolio. This is my services. Digital marketing, brand and social media management, PR, content creation, influencer marketing, event strategies and hosts, voice-over artist, completed projects. I did this portfolio in 2020 when I just started then. I've not even imagine me upgrading it now, but I don't need to upgrade it because I already have a website. So what's the essence of me upgrading it when you can always just check my website? So in your portfolio, you can see the first few clients I had. I put them here. And this was Auntie Shaggy. Then I used to create her content and manage her as a talent. I did a whole lot. Yeah, I did not take a screenshot of when I started managing her. But when I started managing her, she had like 200 and something K followers. And then we grew to about 450K. But I think it has gone down now because I don't run her content and manage her again. See her impressions, 200, it was even higher than this. The kind of content I created for her. You can see the shares, the saves, the reach, the shares, the saves, the reach. We even had more. This was 2020. Along the way, we had things that grew more than this. This impression got to about 1 million. Like it was, even now, I have a client that got to 4 million. I posted it on my Insta story. This is another client. She's a medical doctor and a chess player, then elite logistics. These were like my first clients then. And then some events I did their campaign for, and I did promotions for PR, and the rest of it. Work with Becky Jo today. So that is my portfolio.
Now that you've seen what my 2020 portfolio looked like, I'm sorry guys, I don't have a portfolio anymore. Like I told you guys, I'm retired, so I'm not looking for clients. All right, so you want to actually go to Canva to get templates that you can use to build your portfolio. And guess what? I have amazing templates in my seller store. Check the link in my description, and I want you to start scaling and leveling up because that's what it's all about. We need to graduate to big money moves. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell more people about this space because it's everything social media management. And I give you guys a lot of value. So give me back by sharing the word and spreading the good news that I do.